Hi, I'm looking to renovate my home.
Then
I need some advice.
what advice you want?
Advice on renovating my home?
Oh, you think Lin Lao here consultant agency is it? Do I look like consultant to you?
I thought this supposed to be your job.
What my job? Huh? You got pay me for advice or not? No right, then off lah, Lin.
I just want to ask, do you have a package?
What package?
Like renovation package, all the costs.
Don't have. Huh? What huh?
But
But what but? Oi, Lin Bu already say don't have right? Huh? What else do you want?
I just want to see your package, ma.
See what see? Huh? See Lin Bu still not enough ah? Still want to see my package? See your lah.
Huh? But I don't have cheap.
Hey, you know the ID next door their quotation exceed my budget leh.
Oh, is it? Wow.
Yeah, I know right? So I was wondering if you can give me a better offer.
Oh, cannot.
Huh?
Siao eh, you think here pasar malam ah? Huh? One discount, one cheaper price. Then Lin Bu do what business? You wait long sikin na.
After the living room is completed for renovation, right, I hope my whole house will be completed by 3 days. Can or not?
Siao eh, you think my contractor Superman ah?
3 days cannot meh?
You think they can work 24/7? You can work 24/7 or not?
Cannot.
Then you want my contractor to die, is it? Huh? Before they die, I die of heart attack first, okay? Nah.
Can I just renovate the toilet bowl?
Why only toilet bowl?
Because I got limited budget. Then I only use the toilet bowl to 放菜 and 放酒. So might as well just renovate the toilet bowl lor.
Toilet bowl. Okay, done. Here's your quotation.
50k? Why so expensive?
The 50k is for you to renovate your brain. Go and get some omega for your brain lah. It's my time.
Ta-da! This is my floor plan.
This is similar 叫来.
My floor plan?
This is your flooring plan ah. You draw one ah.
Yeah. Nice, right?
Lin Bu Ama can draw better than you. I use my leg also draw better than you ah.
I want to complain about your ID leh. He never do a proper job and someone he do halfway he disappear, he MIA leh. So I want refund lah.
Oh, you want refund? You go and find him lah. You can't find me for what?
But he's under your company leh.
Siao eh, if your problem is your problem, his problem is his problem. You and his problem is you and his problem, not Lin Bu problem. Understand? Can stand?
May I know what is the difference between modern and industrial?
What is the difference between your Lin Bu and your Lao Bei, huh?
I don't know.
Now you know right? Stupid question right? Can you don't ask stupid question or not?
But I just want to know what's the difference between the details of the teams, ma.
Understand your like go and do your research, then you come back here. Don't waste my stupid time.
So for the wall, right, I want a blue color. And then for my living room, I want a Scandinavian theme. And toilet, I want a Victorian theme. Can?
This one you want?
Hey, I want to talk.
No.
I won't even complete talking.
Cannot.
I want to talk about how to renovate.
Renovate your head lah. Lin Bu today like can or not? Don't feel like talking, don't feel like walking. Can or not?
But you like is your business what? I just want to talk about.
Now Lin Bu already don't feel like talking.
Sign up with Renopedia, the leading online renovation media, and you won't be one of Karen's victim. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.